Today what we're going to do is use the Linux server transmission Docker container and run that through the Ubuntu's Nordvpn Docker container. We'll show you how to run any container through a VPN. And a special thank you to all my patrons, who without your support this channel would not be possible. And if you haven't already, please think about becoming a patron and supporting the channel you love. If you haven't already signed up with Nordvpn, I'll leave a link in the description below for that. So let's get started. So first we want to make sure we have Portainer open, and we need to go have a tab open for the Ubuntu's Nordvpn container. And then we want to open up the tab for Linux server transmission. So go to the Ubuntu's Nordvpn, scroll down, and there is a Docker Compose file. And the first thing we want to do is copy this, and then we want to paste it into a word processing program. Next, go to Linux server transmission, scroll down to the Docker Compose section, copy that, and then paste that into the same word processing program underneath the first one. Next, we need to go to Open Media Vaults, scroll down to Shared Folders, click on the down arrow next to Relative Path, click on Absolute Path, and then we want to copy the app data path and paste it into the same word processing program. So now if we look at all those together, here we have the path for our folder. And let's go over some things that we need to do to change. So the first thing is we need to change this from 3 to 2. We're going to add in a container name. The container name is going to be VPN. Bridge mode is the mode the container is going to run in, and we're going to leave that. Netadmin means we're going to give it extra permissions. If we scroll down, under user, this is where we add our username and our password for our NordVPN. Next to connect, we want to put in our country. Then where it says network here, we want to put in the IP address of our server, so it's 192.168.0 and for me, and then put ./24. Then put in your time zone. For me, it's America, New York. So for ports, the 8080 is for the VPN container. 9091, 51, 413 are from the transmission container. If we go to the transmission Docker Compose, you can see those ports. And so we're just going to copy those and then paste those into our word processing program. Next, we're going to go to our transmission part of our Docker Compose. We can leave the first part the same for Open Media Vault. The PUID is 1000, the PGIG is 100. Again, put in your time zone. Mine is America, New York. And then here, this would be the information that you copied from Open Media Vault. So this is your disk name. And then it says /appdata, and then we do /transmission:/config. And so that puts our config file in a folder in our appdata folder called transmission. And then we do the same thing again with downloads. So same disk name and then /downloads. And the same thing again, and this time /media/watch. So that will create a watch folder in our media folder where we can just drag and drop torrent files if we want to download those things. And so the last thing we want to change is add network mode :service :VPN. So VPN is going to be the name of this container. So once you've done all that, you can just copy it, go to stacks under container, add stack, call it VPN, paste the whole thing in, click enable access mode, and then click deploy the stack. So that will take some time because what it's going to do is download the two containers and then it's going to start those up. In the meantime, let's take a look at the weather outside. And yes, it's snowing again. Once that's done, let's take a look at what's going on. So you can see now we have a VPN under stacks. If we go to containers, you can see we have VPN, transmission, and VPN web. And you can see under VPN, we have all these over here. These are all the transmission. These are all the different ports to access transmission. If we click on the logs piece of paper there and we look at the logs, we can see that the VPN is started correctly. Now, how we connect to the transmission is on port 9091, and I'll just show you where you find that. So if we look at the Linux server page, you can see the web port is on 9091. So what we want to do is copy our IP address, paste that in, and then put :9091, and then hit enter. And that takes us to the web UI, and so let's see what we can do from here. So to download a torrent, we would click on the folder there, which says Upload Torrents. If we go to Xubuntu and we download the torrent file, then we can browse to downloads, click on Xubuntu, open that up, and click Upload. And now you can see our Xubuntu is downloading. And so basically by following those exact same directions, you can add any Docker to run through a VPN if you'd like. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And if you haven't already, subscribe and make sure you like, and we'll see you next time.